Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we'll learn about paginated reports in Power BI. In this video, we will learn about dashboards in Power BI, what they are, how they are different from reports, and their key features. We will discuss about dashboards in Power BI and dashboards and reports comparison. Board in Power BI is an interactive visualization that gives a quick at a glance view of key performance indicators or metrics. It is actually the final stage of your Power BI workflow where all reports come together in one view. If we want to create a dashboard, we will go to Power BI service. Here, we will go to My Workspace. We can see different reports published here. We can open any report. Now, Now at the top right corner of any visual, we will go to the pin option, pin to new dashboard. We can create a new dashboard like here. We are creating new sales dashboard. You can repeat this process for any visual you want to add in your dashboard. Now we are opening this dashboard. We can see the added visuals here. We can see the different options to edit this dashboard. We can change the theme color of this dashboard. The theme can be light, dark, custom, or colorblind friendly. We can go to mobile layout to see and edit the mobile layout for our dashboard, or we can come back to web layout. Here we have options to save, share, manage permissions, and print this dashboard. Some important features of dashboards are interactive visuals that respond to user clicks and filters, real-time data updates so you always see the latest numbers, customizable layout where you can pin visuals the way you want. Now let's understand the difference between dashboards and reports. Dashboards are used to quickly monitor the current state of the business, whereas the reports are used to dive into specific aspects of business and perform complex analysis. Dashboards are updated in real time, or we can say near real time, whereas the reports are updated on a periodic basis, such as daily, weekly, etc. Dashboards are designed for high level managers and executives, whereas the reports are designed for the users who use to perform in depth analysis of data. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about managing dashboards in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.